So here's the clip from my NOCO Genius charger. As you can see, it's pretty corroded. The negative isn't bad, but I'm still going to do it anyway. All I did to remove that is I just used a pair of pliers, and that comes right unscrewed, just like that, just so I can fit it in here. I've got some distilled white vinegar. I'm going to pour that in there and check on it in about maybe a half hour, see how it looks, and give it more time if it needs it. So let's see what it will do. All right, so it's been about a half hour. You can see there's some rust in there and oxidation. Big improvement. Got a brush. Gonna give it a brushing and see if that makes it look even better. The negative came out really good. So I gave it a quick brushing. Let's give it a rinsing now. Let's see how these look when they dry. Well, here's the finished product. I think it came out pretty good. It still has some rusty characteristics, but definitely much better contact. There's the negative. So I might just run a wire brush over this just to finish it off, but vinegar definitely helped. So these will be back in service. Thanks for watching.